Oh look, this little fella needs a haircut. This one needs a little trim. A little off the sides, a little off the top. This guy needs a full-on shave. Look at all this growth. There's pretty thick stalks too. Look at that. I have to trim him up, round him up. His little brother over here. Give them a good trim. Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. On a day like today when I typically about to trim my hedges, I come over here to my good old trusty Stihl combi system and I grab my hedger here. I got a straight shaft hedger. Hook it up to my KM 110R here and go to town, make quick work of that. But today I'm gonna do something a little different. Let me take you over here to my little tabletop and show you what I got. All right, I picked me up a new little toy at the Stihl dealership here in my local town. This is the Stihl HSA 26. It's basically a little bush trimmer here. Just go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like, see what all you get, see what it's all about. It comes in a nice case. Nothing else is in the box. It's just like a canvas case. Really nice. Here we go. Comes with a manual. Make sure you read every word of this. Let's see, battery. Small triangle shaped battery. Let me hold this up so you guys can see it on camera. This, of course, is the charger. Just another charger for all your different batteries and devices. Let's see the head unit. Just unstrap this. Let's go ahead and pop the battery in and see what the battery is fully charged. I checked it. It's got a little safety switch you got to push up. Looks like you probably squeeze these. Take off your head. Let's try these out. This one's really going to try out. Looks like it slides in. There we go. And this is all without looking at this. That's how easy it is to use. Looks like it's got a hold that in. I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of bright out here, but four green lights lit up, show that it is fully charged. Well guys, that's all there is to it. It's pretty nice. Let's go try it out on some bushes, see how it works. Well, the first thing we're gonna do is I got several bushes down through here of this new path I put in, and a little boxwood bushes, and I like to keep those really small. I take off the top here, no bigger than this, just kind of round it over. I made really quick work of that without having to break out the big Stihl combi system with the attachment. Let's go on down. I got 3 more. I'm not going to touch those. I may do those every spring. Although it looks like it's got a lot of dead growth in it. But right now we're just going to do these. Here. This one's one's a little bigger. It's got some tall stalks. Look like I had trouble on these thick ones here. Let's see if we can get it. Yep. Make quick work of that one. Now let's head back up. Let's head around to the front of the house. All right, we got 3 of these. Looks like little holly type bushes here on the front porch. Let's see how. Should take real quick work of these. Too bad. Pretty quick, very light, easy on the back. A lot easier than the Stihl combi. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and finish these off camera. Basically the same process, we just kind of round it over. This is where the big test is going to come in, because you see these big old heavy, these thick, they're really thick. Let me make sure. Let's see how this works. I've only got 2 of them here. I actually thought about pulling this middle one out and doing a rock garden behind it, but that will be a fall or winter project. Round this one over. Start right here. Oh yeah. Okay, I've got that bush trimmed down the way I want it, nice round, clean. One thing I noticed about this little tool is it really, I had to go over it several times, which makes a bigger mess. A lot of small clippings I'm gonna have to clean up, and this pine straw, and that's gonna be an ordeal. I'm probably gonna wait until the sun goes down to finish these. It took about 10 minutes to trim just one bush, and it is extremely hot here in Alabama. So I'm gonna wait till the sun goes down to finish, do the other one and finish the other ones. I just want to show you, it takes a little more effort to use that, whereas my Stihl combi, I'll probably do this one in 30 seconds as opposed to 10 minutes. So you definitely don't want to use this tool as you're in a business or something, but it's great for a little homeowner that has a few little bushes like this that you want to come out and keep trimmed up, on a regular basis before they get out of hand, and it takes a long time to do. But I switched out the heads on it, put this little pruner head on it, and I'm gonna do some deadheading on these. These are knockout roses. Looks like they need spraying already. See, they get bugs on them. But this would be a good, like a deadhead. So we can come through here, chop it off. And what that does, that'll promote new growth to, bring new flowers to come in. This was a yellow knockout roses, so it doesn't bloom quite as often as the red ones in the front. As you can see down there. Right here, these red ones, I pruned them in another week. They've already got new blooms on them. So, all right guys, hope you enjoyed this video, checking out the little Stihl HSA 26. It's a sweet little tool, but like I said earlier, I mean, you wouldn't want to use this on a business where you got a lot of shrubs to trim, but a little homeowner with 2 or 3 shrubs you want to keep tidy. It's a great addition to the fleet. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. And we look forward to staying with you in the next video. We will be back in the lawn. So till then, hope you guys have a great day.